Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video for you too. Be careful with something that we are seeing more and more often, and that is that there are people who are installing tires, in some countries you call it rims, second-hand, to the vehicle. Look, because I am telling you, you see, this number that you see here, 1513, well, this means, manufactured in week 15 of the year 2013, it is 9 years old and look how it has turned out. And here you can see it, the owner has come to the workshop, the tire is undone, the owner has come. Because the steering vibrated a lot, if only that were the problem, but this, at any moment, is not that it gets a puncture, it is that at any moment it can burst, and this of course could bring about a very serious accident. Be careful, because I already said, that we see it more and more regularly, that people are putting wheels, as I say, in some countries they call it tires, second-hand. And some that have also brought us, that have come to resale are there. The only thing that vibrated the steering, but of course, we have changed the 4 tires. We have put new ones on it, okay, be careful with these things, be careful. Well, here I leave you this video, if you it has been useful, because do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.